Hey, this is Matthew Brasel, and yeah, there's some issues. It sort of speeds up and slows down, and almost sort of stops and starts a little bit. And I might also, and this, I think even the spin speeds up and slows down, which looks a little odd. So let's take a look at some of those issues in Maya. Um, so first, let's look at the just the overall forward momentum. So I'm going to show the curves and look at this guy. And go into the graph editor and okay, so it's moving forward and see. Yeah, look at that curve. It's very just uneven, a little bit wacky. So I'm guessing this is you trying to do the two contact frames, but then I don't see another example of that. Let's see if it looks like you were trying to do it in here. It didn't really. I also think what's going on is I think that you're rotating the wrong thing. So one of the first things I'm going to do is delete out the rotation of this main control. Just right mouse click, delete selected. Okay. And let's do that first. So yeah, and I think you were compensating the height with this. Oh, and you're using, okay, you're also using the bottom squash um, rather than the top one. And that's going to be more difficult because then it's not going to, the bottom's not going to stay stuck to this. So in this one, why does that appear to be at an angle? Is that working right? Oh, it's still working. Yeah, and so, yeah, see the bottom stays still and then the top stays still and the bottom stays, and you want it the other way around. So I would actually just take out all of this because that's not working. Um, yeah, and this. That's just not right. You're meant to do the top one so that the bottom one. Um, well, and then so then yeah, and then I think this forward momentum. So this is a real mess. You see all the speeding up and slowing down. So I would just delete all those keyframes out. Select this, make it linear. All of this was covered in the video. And then let's look at your up and down curves too, because those are looking a little funny as well. To translate y. Yeah, again, kind of a mess. So, yeah, see how that one goes through the floor and stuff. So these bounces should be, you know, at 1. So this one should be at 1 also. In fact, I'll just move all of these up, I guess. Just make sure this is exactly at 1. And then these should have like a bounce shape to them, like just deleting this out, W, shift middle mouse drag, move that to the middle, take this one out. I would expect this to move back down again, actually. And then these should, you know, it's almost like you didn't follow the video at all. It just really doesn't look like you did. So I might go back through the video and really study it. But you need to get these. Whoops, not that one. I'm just selecting and then middle mouse drag. And then, yeah, I had to break these first. Select with the left mouse, marquee select, middle mouse drag. Select with the left mouse, middle mouse drag. And see how it's getting a nice kind of round bounce shape to it now? Okay, let's look at that. Still has some weird forward momentum thing going on. I'm wondering if I missed something here. Oh, I thought I deleted all that out. Oh, maybe I did it on the wrong curve? I don't know. I thought I got rid of that. Anyways, delete and then linear. There we go. Starting to look better. And then you'll want to put the squash and stretch. I mean, it's really, I'm just doing the whole thing over again, which is really what you should do. But, keyframe that here. If you're not going to do the additional contact frame, we'll just stretch, it's gradually stretching to there, and then here we can squash. And then I like to do that one recovery frame. And then here. And then when it gets to the middle of the curve, we just zero that out. Anyways, it's starting to look better. But honestly, I think you just need to go do it again and go through the videos again. Because all of this is, I'm just doing the exact same stuff that's covered in the module. I'm just removing the mistakes from your ball. But I would just start with a fresh one and do it again because you really missed a lot of it. Okay.